All right, we should be good now. Sorry about that, Etsy. But basically, what I was saying is, on one hand, obviously, I want to be profitable as much as I can. But if I'm not doing everything I'm supposed to be doing from a psychology standpoint, because that is what's in my control, doing everything I'm supposed to do from a psychology standpoint, that's what's in my control. If I am not doing that every single day, then what makes me think that I should be a profitable trader? You know? And don't get me wrong, I am very, very close. Like, I'm very, very close. But if I'm not doing everything I'm supposed to be doing every single day from a psychology standpoint, there's no reason for me to think that I should be profitable. It's just I'm not doing everything I'm supposed to do. Psychology, if I can't master that, then there's no reason for me to expect me to be a profitable trader. I want to be, but like, I want to be perfect in my psychology, and then once that happens, then like, okay, we can reevaluate. Is there something? Is there a real issue with my trading? Like, what's going on? But right now, I think it's mostly a psychology issue personally. So I just need to get a little better with my psychology. But I'm very, very close. Every day we keep getting a little better. And yeah, I'm super proud of myself for as far as I've came and as far as all of you guys have came. We are so close, and I know that. So, anyway, as I was saying earlier, kind of feeling a little tired this morning, but you know what? Just gotta push through it. Um, every single day we just get a little better, and yeah. What else was I saying? I don't know. We gotta start analyzing. Oh, CPI. I'm going to be taking my other two evals I need to get rid of, and I'm going to be doing the CPI eval strat on those two evals. So I will show you guys how to do that, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Now, um, it's not guaranteed to work with only two accounts. You typically need three, but that's okay. I'm just gonna do the two. Um, yeah. So, like I was saying earlier, we're in a pretty aggressive downtrend. We got a decent amount of liquidity here and here now. I think that the market during CPI should probably want to take these out, but I mean, we'll just have to see, to be determined. Okay, we'll start out with higher time frame analysis here. Um, yeah, let's set up my chart now. Um, yeah, let's just set up the chart. So, I'm glad Etsy told me that my mic wasn't working. That could have been bad. Okay. Um, yeah, let's show my other screen. Okay. Alright, let's start out what we got going on here. Let's get rid of everything from yesterday. Okay, well, low key, this looks pretty clearly like a London reversal New York continuation day. I mean, I honestly I might have to change my stance here because like this is like really obvious. It's looking like a London reversal New York continuation day, unless it's New York reversal, but. I guess we'll figure this out in just a second. I don't know, man. You think London pushed into a key level here? Not super obvious to me that it did, but oh, we don't know where the RTH gap's gonna close until the market opens. That's so weird, but it makes sense. We still have this RTH gap up here. Hmm. I guess maybe we're drawing higher. I guess maybe I was wrong. Yeah, it kind of looks like we're drawing higher. Okay, we hit PM. Okay. Previous day's lows down here. Interesting. We swept out previous week's low. Man, it's kind of given yeah, it's kind of given London Universal New York continuation vibes, low key. We got liquidity above here. Got liquidity above here. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm bullish. Okay. I looked at the chart for long enough. I'm bullish. Yeah, I'm bullish. Fine. Yeah. I looked at the chart for long enough. Okay, fine. I'm bullish. I might change it so instead of having to do specific things, um I just set everything up in the morning. I don't know. That's probably fine to do it like this. I don't know. Yeah, because not only did we sweep out previous week's low, but we also swept out previous month's low. Just I don't know. I think you can frame a reversal off of that. Whoops. Okay, I'm framing a buy model here. This is pretty clearly a buy model now. Yeah. We swept out all that liquidity here. Okay, fine. It's a buy model. Okay. Figured it out. Obviously, it's buy model. We have LLR all the way up here. I mean, yeah, it's kind of like a 12-hour CRT right now as well. Let's put Asia, London, and all those guys back on the chart if it'll let us. -1 lines up pretty well with all that liquidity. Okay, I kind of want to look at stat map real quick. We got pretty close to that daily manipulation level. Not quite there, but we got close. All the daily distribution levels from the past 3 days all line up at the bottom of the RTH gap here. So yeah. Dang, we went right to the 12-hour manipulation level. Okay, I'm convinced. I'm sold, bro. I'm sold. I think it's a buy model. Okay, fine. I'm not bearish anymore. I'm not bearish. Bro, not bearish anymore. Fine. Unless we get more information that says we are bearish. Let's take a look at the CBDR, just for fun. Oh, what is this? What is this CBDR, bro? Okay. That's not useful at all. But you know what might be useful is Asia. Because Asia forms a tight range. It's too big. Central bank yield range is too big. But Asia, now Asia we can use. I think this should be pretty good to use, honestly. Oh yeah, bro. Oh my gosh. Market's definitely running on CBDR today. That's actually insane. What the? Oh my. What? Uh. I'm confused why. Never mind. I don't know. I don't know why we can't just get an indicator for this. Um. I'm realizing I kind of messed this up. I'm stupid, dude. I'm stupid. Deleting this, bro. I'm stupid. Oh my gosh, I was choosing the wrong thing. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna end up being useful or not. Probably not, but you know what? That's fine. So 0 to 1. So yeah, it would make sense that 3, and then 5, and then yeah. I need to add more projections then. I don't know if that's gonna end up being useful or not. Probably not, but you know what? There's really no downside to doing it. So yeah, just a good way to get market experience. Yeah, like I said, there's really no downside in doing it. Okay. All right. What else should we mark out? 12 hour. We got 12-hour distribution level, right? Okay. Let's look at our like. I don't know what. What's the 8-hour one look like? Okay. I don't think that's super relevant. What's the 6-hour one look like? Okay, we went right to the 6-hour one. 6-hour one's right above previous this high. Okay, let's mark this out. Wait, did we push into a key level? I don't know, but yeah. We'll figure it out. Let's see. So there's a 30-minute BPR. Did we end up getting SMT at the low? That's crazy. Look at that. Perfectly back tested it. All right. What should we do now? Back to my main screen, I guess. Yeah. I don't really know what else there's to do. Like, I guess there's everything, right? Everything needs to be done. We need to do weekly profiling, high time frame analysis. Yeah. I guess let's start there. Oh, you said something. Yo, what's up? Drop stat map in Discord. I don't know. I'll do the EUL strat too, but I think CPI will go up. Yeah, I think CPI will go up too. I changed my bias. I did some analysis. I don't know how long ago you said that, but yeah. I don't know if you just barely said that, but okay. Oh, you said it 20 minutes ago. Sorry, bro. I haven't. I've been just analyzing and not even looking at the chat. So I should probably finish all the other stuff that I want to do this morning. Um, so let's do that. Um, okay, let's start. Let's just start with weekly profiling. I think that's fine. So on the weekly profiling chart here, it's kind of annoying because I don't want to reset my chart. Oh, okay, good. It looks different. Okay. Um, boom, boom, and we have that data high actually. I'm just now remembering we have that data high from quite a while ago, from Friday. Okay, weekly profiling. Um, Tuesday reversal, I guess. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too. Um, because you look at what happened, right? Just looking at it objectively, we sweep out previous month's low, so that's all the way over here off the screen. Just taking an objective view of what happened, right? We swept out previous month's low. We swept out this previous week's low. Right here. And we swept out this previous week's low right here. So we swept out like a ton of liquidity. Pushing into this higher time frame level. This was the daily rejection block. At least that's what the level seemed like to me. I mean, let me know if you saw something different, but it's kind of what I saw. And so we also ended up getting SMT with this low right here. And let's get high time frame stat map levels out, just maybe to have as confluence. Weekly stat map. Yeah, you can see we were right around the weekly manipulation. Weekly distribution puts us back up above all this LRLR here. So okay. And then yeah, possibly based off of this you could frame this as a buy model, but I don't know. What do you think? Oh wow, there's 5 people watching. Hey guys. I'm just doing weekly profiling right now. Just trying to get my best guess of what could be the weekly profile. We pushed into a key level on Monday or Tuesday, and we swept out all this liquidity. We hit this weekly stat map level. We have decent liquidity above. We have this data high here. Yeah, you think buy model? Okay. That's kind of where I'm at too. We have this data high. And we have the RTH gap. The RTH gap, I'm just now like realizing how powerful it is, but it's really nice actually. I'm looking at it on my other screen. So I'll overlay the weekly profile. Possibility. Where's the weekly profile thing? Okay. Except why is it being annoying? Oh, okay. First, I'll just do this. So this would fit in with the Tuesday low of the week weekly profile. Okay, we'll see. Alright. Weekly profiling done. Um daily profiling. Since we are going so much further lower, um, whoops, I think I'll move the stop limit. Okay. Yeah, just setting up these evals because, um, yeah, I need to do something with them because I'm not keeping them. What? Inflation up, everything down, and F opposite? What? Tradeovate? Those are evals. I'm just needing to get rid of those couple evals because I'm not keeping them. I have too many. I need to get rid of them by the end of the month because I'm not. I just I I got some and then I got some more and then I realized I didn't want to keep the old ones, so I'm just getting rid of the old ones. Tradeovate could be either demo or funded. So I mean, not yeah, it could be like it's just like Tradeovate could be anything. Tradeovate could be your own personal account, could be a prop firm account, could be yeah, could be all kinds of things. So okay, I'm gonna get some water. 5 is gone. Dang. Alright, we got news in 4 minutes. Okay, we did daily profiling, we did weekly profiling. In 5 minutes, CPI coming, yeah. Yep, 5 minutes. Bullish SMT right here. I still need to do high time frame analysis, but CPI does come out in 2 minutes. So I think I'll just sit and watch this come out here. See what happens. Oh yeah, 2 minutes. 1 minute. Man, we're already moving. Nothing's even happened. Wait, what? Oh. Oh my gosh, bro. No. I predicted it right, dude. It's because I put stop orders. What happened? No. You guys saw me put the. No, genuinely, what? You guys saw. No, that's crazy. I predicted it. I literally said that. I don't know, man. Effa, you saw me. Effa, you saw me put the stop limit. I put the stop limit, right? So okay, so what I did, Fisi, what I did is I was putting a stop limit order because I thought CPI was gonna be bullish, and it was. I predicted that right. But um, I guess the order messed up, and uh, I don't know what happened. The order messed up clearly. What? Oh, you know what? It's because we wicked down, dude. I was so stupid to put the stop order. No, I was so stupid to put the stop order. There's literally no reason to have a stop loss. Oh my. Cuz what happened, right? Is I had a limit order set to have like a buy stop. So when the market comes up here, it enters a buy order, and then when it gets up here, it takes profit. But I was stupid and I put the stop loss in, and you don't need to do that. Bro, I put a stop loss and it triggered the stop, and then it went and. Yeah, it's because I put a stop loss. So I put a stop loss, but there was no point in doing that because the account's total value is the stop loss. Bro. That was like actually like top 5 most stupid moments ever. I thought that the stop loss order wouldn't execute until the buy order executed. That's whatever. Satisfying to have predicted it right, though. Man, I'm. Oh, man, no. Oh my gosh, dude. It. Hey, you live and you move on and you don't make the same mistake again. If you ever do that, stop limit order thing, don't put a stop loss. It's just gonna mess it up. There's literally no point. It's so stupid, dude. Dude. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Alright, so for all you guys who don't know what I did, right? Essentially, I had 2 other evaluation accounts that I was trying to get rid of because I'm not keeping them by the end of the month. I just didn't want to keep them. I'm going to have to pay $30 a month to keep them. So, I decided, well, I think this is a buy model, right? You saw my buy model here. I was like, okay, this should be a buy model. I think the news should deliver us higher. So, I am going to put a buy stop limit here. And I'm going to put a take profit limit here. And when news comes out, then it's going to deliver from that buy stop limit to that take profit. Now, what I should not have done that I did is I put a stop loss here. Meaning if it comes down here before it hits my buy limit, it's going to execute a sell limit. And so that sell limit executed before the buy limit did. And so because of that, from here to here, I was in a sell position. And then once it hit this buy limit, it executed a buy order to cancel out the stop. So when you do this, there's literally no reason to put your stop loss there because you don't. The count is the stop loss. So that was stupid. That was actually kind of retarded. But you know what? Whatever. I predicted the news to drive us towards the RTH gap. That's the impressive part, right? Like I did actually predict that we should deliver higher here. So it is what it is. But it's kind of annoying because I could have had 2 more funded accounts right now. It is kind of annoying. I mean, but it is what it is. It's fine. We live, we move on. Yeah. But I did predict it. I have to say, I did call it. So let's keep doing high time frame analysis. Honestly, I think high time frame analysis is good by just screenshotting this because, I mean, yeah. All right. All right. Oh, I don't even know what to say. Like, I was just stupid. Like, I would have two more funded accounts right now. I don't know, man. I'm honestly just a little disappointed in myself that I did that. That was dumb. Not that I did that, but I think that was cool that I was able to predict it. But I'm like, I don't know, just frustrated that um I was able to predict it, but yet somehow, oh my gosh. But I messed up the stop order and the limit order. Oh man, that's just really frustrating. I mean, it's hard not to be frustrated about that. I mean, that is really frustrating, you know? Like, it's fine. I know how to do it next time, I guess. Man, I don't know. I'm just kind of like, it's hard to not let that affect you because I'm like, that genuinely is really, really sad. I don't know. Like, it would be different if I didn't predict it perfectly, but I predicted that. Like, I totally called that, you know? And it's just like, the order did not execute as I thought it would, and that's what bothers me. So here we have that data high from a bit ago. Um, Probably gonna draw up there relatively soon here. Yeah, like I said, we should draw up there. Oh, you guys can't see my screen. That's okay. Okay, that data high was just taken. Or at least, yeah, it wasn't taken, but... Can you see my... Okay, you can see this screen. Okay. Oh, man. It's genuinely hard not to feel a little frustrated about that, because I would have two more funded accounts. It's not like I predicted it wrong. It's literally that I messed up where the orders go. I don't know. Is that like that's valid to feel frustrated. I don't know. Honestly, I should have bonus points for any time, like not just like necessarily a loss, but anytime something doesn't go my way. Um, just yeah, try not to let it get to your head. So I'm gonna put that in my notes here. Okay, +5 bonus points anytime something does not go your way and you don't let it affect you. Okay. So now I'm gonna try and not let that affect me because it shouldn't. You know what I mean? It shouldn't. Like, I don't know. It is kind of sad because like I totally did say that we were in a buy model. We should probably deliver up to the data high, but actually this is not the data high. This is, so we've already hit the data high. Uh, yeah, now that we hit the data high, I don't really know what to do. There's nothing to do. It's just watching, doing nothing, honestly. Oh man, it's hard not to feel a little frustrated though. Like that's so stupid. They're only $15 accounts. It's like who cares? Like I don't really care. But genuinely, like it would have been nice to have two more funded accounts. You have to admit that would have been nice. Okay, 15-second breaker after taking the data high. I might take this on a singular account. Dang it, dude. I wanted to take this on a singular account. Oh my gosh. It's like everything I do is just slightly wrong. 30-second inversion. Okay. Should I wait to move it to break even? Okay, I think we're good now.
Order filled.
We haven't completely filled the RTH gap yet. That's a nice sign, I think, for us to keep going higher. Yeah. Yeah, that is a nice sign, honestly. I want us to fill that. So we might get a trade up there. We have this 2 minute for buy gap. This could become a breaker. We reacted off the midpoint of the RTH gap here. we are within the higher time frame model. I do think we are drawing to the RTH gap high here. We got a close above this breaker, so change state of delivery, whatever you want to call it. I'm not convinced of anything right now. Two-minute inversion here. Wait, it's supposed to be 200. Do I take this? It's not screaming. I'm not going to do anything. But this might work. This very much might work. So yeah, I'm saying no to this trade, so that's what, +2 bonus points for saying no to that? Okay, yeah, +2 bonus points for saying no to a trade. So yeah, basically, if we were to get this, I would not take it because I'm just really picky. Yeah, I have to not let that loss affect me. No, it wasn't a loss. No, there was no loss. Like it was literally uh, a win. I just messed up where I placed the stop order. I shouldn't have. I messed up the placement of the order. So stupid. All right. We're rejecting this for value gap here. Higher time frame is bullish. I'm bullish. This breaker is being a beast right now. You know what though? We might end up getting reaction off of this as well. There's a 15-second CSD. This will probably work out. Told you. We're delivering from a higher time frame breaker for value gap. We got a 15-second CSD, and now boom. There you go. TP hit. Man, I'm really liking the low time frame, honestly. Oh, did we ever look for like CRTs and stuff? I guess we never did that. Mm. No, we basically looked at everything. That's the analysis checklist is what I do in the mornings. The only thing I didn't look at was CRTs, but there wasn't any. Yeah, we're good. Possibly about to inverse this 4 hour gap here. No, daily. I guess it's the daily gap. Actually, it is a 4 hour gap too. Yeah, the analysis checklist, that's just what I'm doing when I'm not going to worry about that. Basically, that's like when I'm setting up this screen over here on my other side of the screen, I'm basically looking for all those things anyways. So, okay. I don't know. Do you guys think that because I forgot to check for CRTs, that one thing, do you think that that's breaking my rules? I think it's fine. I'm not gonna count that. It was just one small thing I forgot about. I just forgot CRTs. I did everything else. So I'm not gonna punish myself. That's just ridiculous. I'm not gonna remember everything, you know. It's like I missed one thing, okay. I'll just try not to do that next time. No, I'm not gonna punish myself for just missing CRTs. It's fine. So I think it would be nice if we came down into this 2 minute for value gap and then maybe an inversion out of it. That's kind of what I'm thinking right now. But also, I'm not gonna do anything unless because right now delivery is bearish. I'm gonna actually wait because I know before like I entered a trade yesterday where I took an inversion, but we hadn't really like I don't know. If it's good momentum, then fine. But like I think ideally I want to see low time frame delivery switch to bullish and then maybe then take a trade. Okay, once again, here's another breaker for value gap. So this might reject. Do I take this on one account? We just got a 30-second change state delivery. I'm entering a little too late. I think it's not worth it. It's good. So the other two accounts I did a trade to for CPI, and they passed, but they did I actually, like, they would have passed, but I messed up. I thought, like, I placed the orders wrong, and I had a stop loss, and the stop loss hit before the buy limit, and my everything that I thought was
You were
gonna
right
happen
there, just mechanically.
but I didn't. I didn't think that the stop loss order would register before the buy stop order. So
It's just mechanical.
It's really frustrating because look, I called out exactly, like, look at this. Look at my analysis. I said I think this is a buy model to go fill this
Right.
RTH gap to go to the data high.
Yeah.
And
That's
then,
exactly what it did.
yeah, and so
It's just mechanical.
like I just messed up where it was just really frustrating because, like, I would have two more funded accounts right now.
It's okay though. You learn something. There's something you're gonna have a better mechanical way to get through on your orders.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm trying to just not let it affect me. But I took a singular account trade that was a win. So
Oh wow, that's
just
awesome.
a 1-to-1.
Just a 1-to-1. That's awesome.
But I would have passed both of those accounts.
Two others. Well, you still have time. You got so.
What do you mean?
Well, you got there's more time than left in the month, so.
No, I was doing it to either pass or fail them.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
But they're cheap accounts.
Yeah. You can get another one.
They're not expensive. I don't know. I would have liked to have two more accounts right now, but it's okay.
It'll come. Baby steps, man. That's awesome.
Yeah. So right now I see this as a giant buy model. So I see us.
Way to spot it, man.
I see us going to run this LRLR here. See all that trendline liquidity here.
So where was the Was the entry point? Where was the entry?
I just did your typical, like, basically, since I'm not doing it like a typical trade. I was just taking it as like a pass or fail an account type of trade. But I had a buy stop limit. So as the market comes up, it buys as it runs into it, and then as it comes up higher, then it takes profit. So it just buy, take profit.
Yeah.
But I accidentally for some reason I was stupid. I put a stop loss, and you didn't need to do that because it's accounts either just gonna be pass or failed.
Right.
And so it wicked down into the stop loss, which executed a sell order, and then hit the buy.
Then you missed.
Then it hit the buy stop order, and that made me have a sell position from here to here, and I just did that wrong.
Now you know. That's great. What do they call this here? All this gap here. What is this? What is this thing called here?
This is a buy model.
That's a buy model.
The market maker model.
Okay.
What, like this whole, like, curve?
Yeah. What is that? It's called what?
It's called a buy model. It's a market maker model.
Market.
So
maker.
a reason that it's significant is, it's when we take out, like, highs or lows of significance and then push into a key level. So in this case, we took out previous month's low and we pushed into this key level. That, like, and then we got SMT here, and so all that combined is like, okay, yeah, this is probably a buy model, you know.
Yeah. So. Yeah.
And then we had our weekly manipulation level here, and then we had our statistical weekly manipulation level right here, and then we have our statistical weekly distribution level right here. And then the data high, which we just took out. See that? The data high was just taken out. It was right here. See how we went right to the data high? And then that's where taking profit happens. So...
That's awesome.
But
that's a lot.
It's frustrating though.
But yeah, hey, it's
I would have had two more funded accounts.
You can buy these accounts for $16.
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Okay.
See ya. All right, we are coming down towards this 2 minute gap, which, yeah, I want to see us come into this and then maybe form some kind of CISD here or something, and then look for a low time frame entry. Let's make this into a market maker model on the low time frame here. It's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay, as I was saying, let me think. Oh, I want to put the analysis checklist as like what I'm supposed to do first. So that's the first thing I do in the morning when I'm setting up my other screen here. When I'm setting up this screen on my right hand side, I want to go make sure I go through my analysis checklist. So I'm gonna put this in my notes here. So do first thing when setting up right screen. So my analysis checklist is essentially just like a list of things that I look for in the morning. I'm gonna get rid of that. Yeah, so like SMTs, CRTs, draws on liquidity, key levels, and it's separate than my other analysis that I'm doing. So like it's separate than the high time frame, intermediate time frame analysis, that kind of thing. So we have a 3 minute external gap here. Low key, I'd see us having to go lower, honestly. I might take this on a singular account. We get a low time frame inversion off of this, or like be just like a low time frame CISD off of this area. Yeah, let's do it. I say let's do it. On one account. Pushing up into this breaker for value gap. Okay, I want to see us come up and like take this high again. I'm liking these low time frame trades. Like you can get really precise with them, honestly. I mean, they just make more sense to me. Like, it's really clear, like, what liquidity I'm targeting, that kind of thing. So maybe like a 15-second inversion off of this is what I'll do on one account. Okay, looks like we're gonna go run it right now. Alright, this looks like AMD right now. So maybe going into 10 a.m. we'll get a trade to the upside. So here's the 950 to 1010 macro. That's market open right there. Alright, at this 15-second closing above, we'll probably run this LRLR here. But I'm not going to take this. So there we go. That's looking pretty good. Looking like manipulation. Decent inverse for value gap here. Yeah, I think this is the move. If this inverses, man, I don't know. I'm not convinced. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, here's 930. Let's pull up session stat map. Oh, what? Oh, man, it's not useful. We already hit everything. Dang it. Not convinced of anything yet. I do think this is a buy model, though. Alright, we'll get this 5-minute CISD here. Possibly. Alright, there we go. 5-minute CISD. I wanted to enter right there, honestly. Man, I don't know. If I'm not sure, then I shouldn't take it. Say there we go. Another saying no to a trade. There we go. Yeah, I said no to a trade. Let's go. Awesome. Okay, here we go. So this could be a turtle soup. Possibly. We might not go down there all the way down there, though. Or maybe we will. Okay, this is looking not bad. delivering from this fair value gap here. Okay. I like this a lot. Okay. We got data low. But I don't feel like we want to go there yet. Okay, getting this as a 1 minute inversion seems pretty nice. 30-second? Okay, I'm gonna take this if we get it. 3 times 13. 13, 26, 39. Is this good? Yeah. No, this is good. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay, do I go break even? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now I'm
Order filled.
to go to the RTH gap high. Okay, I'll show you my other screen. Oh, you can already see it. I could also just have it run to the 2 to 2.5 standard deviation, but that might be the move. Should I do that? Yeah, I say let's just do it. Or we should just take profit there and be done. I'm just gonna take profit there. I'll just move on after I get that. If I can get that, we'll see. Low key, might move my stop here. Yeah, because I don't want to come back down there. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go, bro. Finally, bro. A good day. Oh my gosh. How do I, bruh? How do I screenshot, bruh? Okay. That's good. Oh my gosh, bro. Finally. Man, that's awesome. What a good day. Sweet. There's 4 people watching. What's up, guys? We hit a 1-to-1 right to this high off the 30-second inversion here. So you can see this really, really good 30-second inversion delivering from a fair value gap. Good AMD. And so this is a pretty good inversion. Just targeted 1-to-1, and then I stopped to break even right away, and I didn't get break even, so it's pretty nice. And then I left a runner up to here, just to leave a runner up there, because why not? And it did hit, so that was a 2.42 for the runner, so pretty sweet. And then I also hit a different 1-to-1 trade earlier in the day, so dubs. That was on the other 1-to-1 was on a singular account. So, man, what a good day, dude. What a good day. I'm supposed to stay on the charts till 11 though, so I guess I'll just sit here. We have a breaker for value gap here. Breaker block right here for value gap. I take this on a singular account, play with profits on one account. Yeah, might be the move. Yeah, low key. Enter on the order block. Stop below the breaker for value gap. And then target the 2 to 2.5 standard deviation of this. Just on a singular account. Just playing with profits. So maybe if we inverse this actually. We have the 15-minute breaker right here. Okay. Just take this on. It's just a singular account.
Order filled.
Just playing with profits now. This is during the macro as well. I could go to break even here. Okay. And then if this hits break even, I'm just gonna be done. Nice. Dude.
Order filled.
All right. Now I'm just gonna let the other half run up to 2 to 2.5 here. So yeah. This is just a runner. I already took profit. Should I take off another one? I'll take off another one. This is just a test. Let's see if this even works. Hey, that actually did.
Order filled.
Okay, the other one's just gonna be a runner here. It's only one. Stop loss is for only one contract, right? One stop. One limit. Okay. Cool. Alright, yeah, I don't care what happens with the runner. I just think the high time frame is going higher right now, so I'm okay with leaving one runner, you know? But I took the other one off here. N1, bro? What's N1? Oh, nice one. Oh, thanks, bro. guys, I'm back. I don't know if anyone's here watching, but why is it 2 to 2.5 standard deviation so far away, dude? What the heck? So yeah, let's just measure this out just to see if this is like right. Measure this out here. Boom to boom. I mean, yeah, that's what it says. And then what about this? Same thing. Alright, I guess we're holding it. Hey, FA! I guess we're holding it. I mean, I could just close it, but I don't know. It's kind of fun to leave a runner. Like, we have all this LRLR aligned with the 2 to 2.5 as well, so it makes sense, you know. But, I mean, maybe I should just close it. Yeah, low key. Low key, like, I might just close it. I should have closed it when I said I was gonna. No, I'll let it be. I already said I was gonna hold it. I'll let it be. I'll let it be. I'll just let whatever happen happen. It's fine. Yeah, that fair value gap at 1017 is holding for his life. For real though. I'll just move my stop up. That's what I'll do. So, like, now I'm pretty chilling with whatever happens, honestly. But, like, it's just paper. It's just penny money. It's like, it's pretty small compared to what I would normally risk. So it's like, who cares, you know? But also, technically, it's real money if I can get the payout, which, that's crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna let it be. That's fine. It's funny because that fair value gap inversed. But I see this as a fair value gap that, like, an inverse fair value gap that's like a trick inverse fair value gap. Do you remember when, like, I don't know, like, I would just fall for this so much where an inverse fair value gap would inverse like this and it looks like it's good liquidity, but it's just against the higher time frame. Like, I've had that happen to me so many times that I feel like just knowing that, I feel like this inverse fair value gap is gonna fail. But that's just kind of like market experience just telling me that. Like, I would used to short these all the time and they would always fail. Just because they're against higher time frame. But this one might work, low-key. I don't know. We'll see. Nah, this was okay, actually. I don't know what I'm saying. I took a dub today. I just need to shut up and just relax, I guess. I think if we were to get candle closes above this area, I would think that we should start to go like a lot more aggressively. Like if we just close and then close and then close. But I don't know. We'll see. Oh, we got bullish SMT. Oh, we got bullish SMT with this low. I might actually just put my stop below the SMT then. Okay. I just think that makes a little more sense, you know? Actually, let's just get out. This is stupid. Okay.
Order filled.
Nice. I that was probably a bad execution on my part, but whatever. Yeah, look at that. We're getting a 15-second inversion. That was, whatever. Okay, fine. I messed up. It's not that big a deal. What a dub of a day, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think like I'm supposed to be on the charts longer, but I don't know. I kind of don't know if it's like there's any point in that. I'm supposed to be on the charts till 11. I guess I know I'm gonna follow my rules. I'm gonna stay on the charts till 11, but like I'm not really entirely focused right now. I'm just kind of hanging out. Bro, thanks Etsy. Thank you, bro. Today was such a great day. It was a great day. Genuinely. Let's look at this. Look at this. Boom. All green. I took 3 wins, so I took this short. This was on a different account. Took this long, and then I took this long, and yeah. Then I just kind of trailed my stop there, and then boom. So, the oh, you can't see. Oh, whoops. Sorry. This short, basically the idea with this is I just know if we take out a data high like this and then get a breaker, I know it's low time frame, but I've seen this happen before where just like good signature and price with this breaker and like clear just accumulation right here. I just kind of I don't know. I felt like I wanted to take it on one account, just to take it, because I definitely have seen this happen before, where it's just like, oh, we popped above the data high, okay, now we're gonna go run this, and then we do, and so then we just got this inversion, this on the 32nd, delivering from the fair value gap, and I was super patient. I saw this, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna do anything until it's light bulb, and then boom, light bulb, and then boom, take profit, and then another light bulb, boom, and then boom, take profit. I mean, today really wasn't too complicated. You just had to have the patience to wait for these two opportunities, and that is honestly like 75% of trading is just having that patience, because it's hard. It's hard to just sit through all this and not make up a trade. Like, I had to say no to 2 trades within here before I saw this. I had to sit here and tell myself, no, I'm not going to take a low quality trade. And, I mean, it's hard to do that, honestly. It's really hard. Like, I make up trades all the time. I'm like, oh, this is a CASD off the breaker with a fair value gap. I'm like, no, bro, just stop making up trades. Just, I don't know. It's an issue I have, but I'm getting better at it one day at a time. So, I mean, sometimes it can be legit. That's the problem. Is like sometimes it's like, okay, wait, that's a legit CISD off of a legit. You know what I mean? But it just takes some more screen time to really, for sure, get to the point where I'm like, okay, this one's a fake one. This one's not actually a good trade, you know? Right now, it's interesting. I'm not exactly sure. I thought we were going to go... We'll probably go to the 2 to 2.5 eventually, but right now it's kind of like... It's kind of unclear what's going to happen in the short term. But... yeah. There's this. The annoying thing is, it's literally my rules to stay on the chart until 11. So it's like I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. I could just talk about possible trades. We could get. But it is my rules to stay on the chart till 11, so I will stay on the chart till 11. I think if I scroll over to the other side of the chart, I still think we're going to take out these guys. So we're just waiting for that next move higher. I believe we did not take that out yet. Yeah. You can see that we have not taken that out. There's quite a bit above. Boom, boom. These are the draws. Well, we just got an inversion actually. I wasn't looking. This is a good breaker. I still have another singular account I can take a trade on. Okay, fine. This is a good signature in price. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see. I will go break even right as soon as we take this high. If we get it. Looks like this candle's showing respect to this breaker and fair value gap. So this is the breaker, this is the fair value gap. It's not looking good, honestly. I don't know why it's got good signature to it though. Okay, if we can just hit this high, I'm break evening. I could go even break even right now. Yeah. Yeah, let's just go break even right now. Okay. All right.
Stop filled.
I don't know. That's kind of stupid. Maybe I shouldn't have taken that. I was allowed another singular account trade. That's fine. I just think if we were really bullish, we should have just not stopped there. To be honest. Hey, I get a point for break even. Let's go. I get a psychology point for going break even, actually. Where's the break even thingy? What is it? 1 point? Yeah, I'd rather not lose money on such a good green day, dude. Oh my gosh. Yeah, +1 bonus point from you stop break even. See, this is why I did. This is why I did that. This is why I did that. This is why I went break even right there. Because if we were bullish, we should have just kept going. Yeah, so it's +1 point. +1 point for break even. Where did it? Okay, yeah. Got a lot of bonus points today. I mean, yeah, with how explosive this move was, if we were to continue higher, we should have gone, we should have exploded higher. It's not like, oh, like we'll go like this and then this, then this. Like, no, no. If it's gonna react off this breaker, it needs to go explode. Definitely a red flag. Um, let's go through all the accounts and see, make sure there's no open orders. All right, looks good. Okay. I think I will call it net for now, but I'll probably come back for a journaling session at some point later today. I don't know when. So, I will see you guys later.